Animal tissues, connective tissue and nervous tissue.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Dear students, a connective tissue is made up of cells and matrix. Connective tissue is classified as blood, bone, cartilage, areolar and adipose tissue. So let's start learning with blood as a connective tissue. Blood is made up of plasma that act as a liquid matrix.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
It contains red blood corpuscles RBCs, white blood corpuscles WBCs and platelets. Blood is called as connective tissue because it connects with all body parts by providing essential nutrients, hormones, exchange gases and waste materials. Bone. Cells of bone are fixed firmly in hard matrix which is composed of calcium and phosphorus compounds. Tissues of bones are hard, hence they form the body structure. Bone is also the center for production of white blood corpuscles. Ligament. This connective tissue is flexible, strong, have less matrix and joins two or more bones with each other. Tendons. Tendons are fibrous, strong, less flexible and joins muscle with bones. Cartilage tissue. Cartilage tissue has matrix made of sugar and proteins and cells are fixed firmly in it. Cartilage is present in nose, ear, trachea and on bone surfaces. Areolar tissue. Areolar tissue is a loose connective tissue made up of reticular fibers, fibroblast, collagen fiber, plasma cell and many more.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
It is present in between skin and muscles, around blood vessels and nerves, and in bone marrow. Areolar tissue binds the skin with muscles and provides support to internal organs. Adipose tissue. It is loose connective tissue, also known as fatty tissue. Major component of adipose tissue are adipocytes or fat cells. The fat cell stores energy in the form of fat. This tissue is present under skin, which provides insulation to the body from heat and cold. It is also present as a protective covering around the internal organs. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is made up of nerve cells or neurons.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Nerve cells consist of nucleus and cytoplasm. The long part is called axon and branched out growth along the nucleus are called dendrites. Brain, spinal cord and nerves are composed of nerve tissue. Nerves has ability to pass signals to the body parts within very small time. Hence it allows proper movement of muscles, thereby preventing us from accidents. So dear students, I hope now you have no issues with the tissues. Stay connected for more videos.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.